Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the difference between while loop and do while loop in and for loop in Java. So in this session, we will learn the difference between the while loop, for loop and do while loop in a Java language. At the beginning of the session, we understand the concept of the while loop and do while loop. After that, we learn the comparison of while and for loop. So while loop statement is one of the easiest and most widely used looping constructor in the Java language. In this statement, while it is reserved for a reserved word or keyword, the condition can be any constant, variable, expression, and statement can be a single statement or a group of statement. In while loop, we have to perform three steps: initialization, test condition, and increment and decrement. Initialization the value. In while loop, the first step is initialization is used to set the initialize the value of the loop counter. The loop counter may be an increment counter or decrement counter. In while loop, test condition, after the initialization step, the next step in the while loop is to check the test condition whether the loop is executed or not. If the condition is true, the while loop the loop's body is executed. Otherwise, the loop is no loop execution. Next one is increment and decrement. After checking the test condition in the while loop, increment and decrement are used to increment and decrement the loop's counter value. Syntax of while loop. In a while loop statement, while keyword is used and followed by any good condition that has to be tested, enclosed in parenthesis, and it may contain in any logical operator. Condition is followed by a pair of pair of curly brackets that specifies the set of the statement that are to be executed while the condition is true. Do while loop statement in Java language. The do while loop statement is also similar to the while loop. In this first of all, the loop's body is executed. Then the condition is checked. In the do while loop, we have to perform three steps: initialization, test the condition, increment and decrement. Initialization of the value. In a do while loop, the first step is initialize and used to set the initial value of the loop counter. The loop counter may be an increment counter or decrement counter. Test condition. After the initialization step, the next step is in the do while loop is to check the test condition whether the loop is executed or not. Increment and decrement. After checking the test condition in the do while loop, the next step is to increment or decrement the loop counter value. The difference between while and do while loop. While loop is an entry control loop because firstly the condition is checked, then loop's body is executed. In do while loop, the do while loop is an exit control loop because in this First of all, the body of the loop is executed, then the condition is checked true or false. So this is all about the for loop, do loop and do while loop. Thank you.